Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Jeff Jones Customs. Today I have a little bit of upholstery work to do. I have a Honda van that I'm looking to get rid of, and one of the seams has kind of torn loose. I think actually the vinyl decayed away, and anyways, here it is. I think what happened was the seam allowance here, it actually tore all along there. So I pulled the seat out of the van, and it's basically just a cosmetic cover, a couple bolts over here, and there was a stud over here. And so then thought I'd show you guys this. This is like a plastic zipper on here. You can generally just pull it up and get it to come apart. And then from there, the seat usually comes off, with not much problem anyway. This one's got a couple more clips on the inside, and I figure at this point I'll just pull off the cover, and then we'll just stitch that area back up. That way it'll look better whenever somebody comes to look at possibly buying it. Well, this one has a couple of springs in it to hold the seat belt, or to hold the seat upholstery in, and I'll just have to undo those real quick. And they're pretty light tension, so don't even seem to need any tools. They just kind of unhook. And most of the time the headrest things, you just kind of mash them together, and it'll allow you to pull them out. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. Anyways, yeah, I just had to pinch the little tabs back together at the bottom, slide the little headrest mounts out. Now I got the cover off, and you can see where this is detached. So at this point, my intentions are I'm just going to cut that, I think, so I can have a whole new seam allowance, and big deal, I'll have to work a little harder getting the seat cover back on, because now, if I don't, it'll look funny at the ends. So I think I'm just going to cut that and just work it around until I get it to look a little better, and then I'll just sew it back on. And for those of you who don't know, this is a seam ripper. You just stick it down behind the threads and it'll just kind of cut them loose as you go. And everything I've seen so far, it seems to be a pretty invaluable tool. Okay, well, I think we'll go ahead and give this a go. Keep in mind this is not really my forte here, so we'll be learning this one together. And so what I'm going to do is just put the pretty sides together, if there is a pretty side, and then sew it up. So well, let's see how this works out, guys. And there you go, all back together, ready to go back on. So I think that'll do fine for what it was for. And anyway, that's a little bit of upholstery work. And thanks for watching, guys.